The era of AI in the workplace is no longer a distant promise. It's here today at an unprecedented scale. In 2024 alone, the use of generative AI on the job nearly doubled in just 6 months. Globally, 75% of knowledge workers report using AI in their work. And this rapid pace of adoption is driven by employees seeking relief from the ever increasing pace and volume of tasks. Workers across all generations are bringing their own AI into the office to automate mundane task work and focus on what truly matters to them. And as a first line mover, leveraging Microsoft 365 Copilot and generative AI within my work, I want to talk to that particular experience over the last 2 years in today's video. Hey everyone, my name is Nick Harris, and I'm a senior Copilot cloud solution architect with Microsoft. Welcome to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Connection, where we talk about all topics and updates in relation to Microsoft 365 Copilot experiences. It truly is amazing reflecting back across the last 2 years and realizing how the overall pace of work has changed because of generative AI solutions. When I look back when I started, I was a first line mover leveraging Microsoft 365 Copilot, and I received so many benefits: mental health savings, time savings, efficiency gains, and more visibility in the work I was performing because I did a lot more with the time I had available to me. And those value propositions really compounded because not many other people, even within the internal Microsoft organization, were leveraging generative AI. And now, of course, looking at today, I'm sure all of you feel the pace of work rapidly evolving and becoming quicker. And this is because of the acceleration of AI in your work. And that's one of the critical standpoints that I want to talk to. The fact that you need to start leveraging AI in your work and have AI do more for you if you are not already doing so. Consider that in the next 2 years, your colleagues, peers, coworkers, friends, family may all be leveraging AI in order to save themselves time. But this also could generate more value creation work across teams and groups of people, which means that you need to stay up to date with your skill set as well as the skill set that Copilot and generative AI can augment and make available to you. And my goal with this channel is to ensure that you are equipped with the skill set you require to stay up to speed with all of this rapid pace of change, because I want to ensure none of you are left behind. And we can see that this pace is not going to slow down. It's only going to continue to increase as more people leverage AI. According to Microsoft's 2024 Work Trend Index, a survey of 31,000 people across 31 countries, aggregating trillions of data points within Microsoft 365, users indicated that Copilot and generative AI solutions saved them time, assisted them with focusing on more important work, allowed them to become more creative, and even increased job satisfaction. 70% of users said that they were more productive, and 68% of people said that Copilot and generative AI improved the overall quality of their work. And it's amazing seeing the shift within the leadership perspective for Copilot as well. When it came to the 2024 Work Trend Index that Microsoft put out, we indicated that 79% of leaders indicated that they needed to adopt AI to stay competitive within their industries. And now, within the new 2025 Work Trend Index, 82% of leaders indicated that they are confident they will expand within a digital or agent based workforce within the next year to year and a half. They're also indicating that productivity must increase across their workforce, which means that all of you need to ensure you're using AI to get rid of that mundane work and focus more on that value creation work. So, overall, the pace of change is going to continue. And I want to make sure that we hone in on those core areas that you require to keep you up to speed and ensure that you can leverage AI as a tool to then augment your workflow, save you time, automate your processes, and generate more innovation and value. Now, for all of your reference, I will have links in the description below for the 2024 and the 2025 Work Trend Index studies. I would highly recommend that you look at this information. There is a ton of quantitative data available to you in these particular reports. Now, to provide an example of what I mean, imagine you came back from vacation or sick leave. How would you normally navigate that situation without AI? You navigate into your email, your Teams chats and channel messages, or various communication channels. You'd review through files that may have been sent to you, and it takes a lot of time. And to also consider the fact that work doesn't stop around you. So you're most likely getting even more work tasks and scenarios that you have to get updated on while you're trying to catch up. And this is where we need to generate those new habits, where we start with AI first and move forward faster. In this scenario, I'm going to prompt Copilot in order to get started in my work after vacation more quickly. So here's my particular prompt. I'm indicating to Copilot the time frame that I was on vacation, the particular topics or areas of focus or projects that I'm interested in. I'm calling out the locations of content, such as email or files or chat messages or meetings that I want to focus on. And then finally, I'm formatting my data into a table format with particular key columns. And here we can see the overall response. And this aggregates all of that data around us into a single uniform response. I have leveraged this in multiple work scenarios in the past. It can sometimes miss some things, so maybe prompting a little bit more if you think it's missed anything would be advantageous, but it at least aggregates a list of work tasks for me to look through to get started in that flow of work more quickly. This is a habit that will take some time for all of you to build, but once it becomes more common to you, it becomes easier to manage. And I can tell you from experience, I now take my particular getting back into office timeframes down from about 2 to 3 days getting back up to speed to just a few hours. I will have a prompt template for this particular prompt in the description below. Take advantage of this and modify it to your own needs. So that's it from me for today, everyone. If you are new to any AI experience, now is the time to get into using AI within your work. Otherwise, eventually you will be left behind. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you like this material, give me a thumbs up. Your support is always appreciated. Share this content with any colleagues. Subscribe if you are not already, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.